F-22 Raptor rival the SU-35 in Russia. According to reports, the Sukhoi SU-35 fighter plane is more capable than the US F-22 Raptor. The jet, which has been in production since 2007, would defeat the F-22 if they engaged in genuine air battle, according to defense analyst Alex Locke. According to the Eurasian Times, the F-22 lacks the weapons necessary to rule the sky, while this Sukhoi jet is more maneuverable and can carry more ammo. Despite the Lockheed Martin F-22 fighter jet's primary ability to engage in aerial battle, it will lose out in direct conflict. This is so that the F-22 can carry all of its weapons. The F-22 Raptor is also infrequently employed to intercept hostile aircraft. As a result, when an aircraft violates airspace, the F-22 will typically approach it and issue the radio command "turn around," or "I'll take countermeasures." Typically, a missile exhibition of the flank to a possible enemy goes along with this. But the F-22 could never accomplish this due to its stealth design and the fact that all of its bombs and missiles were carried on board, according to Locke. He said that the F-22 was built by the US Air Force to launch attacks from cover at great distances. Therefore, the F-22 would suffer if it engaged in direct combat with the SU-35.